So hello, welcome in today's amazing video, the pronunciation class 1. Leo tugenda kulaba engeri gye twatulamu ebigambo mu Luzungu. Of course here we learn English and Luganda. So okay, so pronunciation, it means the way you speak out words. The way you speak out words. Engeri gy'oyatulamu ebigambo. And you have to note that when you're pronouncing out a word, you have to read it and analyze it. Olina okukisoma n'okitegeera muli mu bwongo before you pronounce out the word. Okay, let's jump into it. Number 1, we have a word like market. Market. We don't say market. The E is somewhat silent. So we say market. Market. It's the silent E because it is at the end of a word. So we say market. Not market. No, it's market. Market. Market in Luganda is akatale. Akatale. Okay, number 2, we have a word like tired. Tired, for example, I am tired today. Lero inkoye nnyo. Tired. Tired in Luganda is inkoye. Inkoye, okuba n'obukowu, so you are tired. Okoye. Surprised. Surprised. For example, I am surprised when you came. I am surprised when you came. So inze neewunyiza. Surprise in Luganda is okwewunya. Inze neewunyiza wewaze. Surprised. Okwewunya. Confused. Confused. We say confused. An example. I am confused. I don't understand what you're saying. Confused in Luganda is okubuzaabuzibwa. Okubuzaabuzibwa. Inze nabuzaabuziddwa wewaze. Okay, another word we have engineer. Engineer. An engineer. So engineer in Luganda is engineer. Engineer. So it is engineer when you're pronouncing it in English. We have also business person. Business person. Some people say business person, but no, it's business person. Business person. So business person in Luganda is muna business. Muna business. Can you repeat that? Muna business. Super. We have a common word like understand. Understand. So we've dealt with this in previous videos. Understand. Understand is okutegeera. Okutegeera. So I understand, please. Inze nkitegeera. Decide. Decide. Decide is okusalawo. Okusalawo. An example. I have decided to go. I have decided to go. Inze nsazeewo kugenda. Inze nsazeewo okugenda. Responsibility. 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 So when you're reading this word, you try to break it down into simple, pronounceable word. Responsibility. Responsibility. So responsibility is obuvunaanyizibwa. Obuvunaanyizibwa. Responsibility, obuvunaanyizibwa. Development. 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 Some people say development, but that is at beginner level. For intermediate level, we say development. Development. Like the P and M are somewhat joined. So you say development. Okulaakulana. Okulaakulana. Like okulaakulana. That is development. Okulaakulana. Hope we are together. Opportunity. 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 Opportunity in Luganda is akakisa. Akakisa. You get an opportunity to do some piece of work. Ofuna akakisa akakola ekintu. So opportunity. Akakisa. Communication. Communication. This is ebyempuliziganya. Ebyempuliziganya. The communication. Ebyempuliziganya. Hope we are together. Cooperation. Cooperation. The cooperation. Okukolaganira awamu. okukolaganira awamu. So you cooperate. Okukolaganira awamu. It is cooperation. So the last word is supportive. Supportive. Like supportive. Someone who is supportive. Omuntu obuwagizi. Obuwagizi. You have a lot of support. Oyina obuwagizi bulungi. So supportive. That guy is so supportive. Muwagizi mulungi. So supportive is obuwagizi. Okay, hope you've learned something. Let's continue on in the next video. Bye bye. Wait about.